In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the notifications for Trello on your browser. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can receive real-time updates from your Trello boards. So let's dive right in and get those notifications set up. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello.com. This is where everything starts, as accessing Trello's main page is necessary for enabling notifications. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of the Trello homepage. You should see a login button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login page. Now, when it comes to logging into Trello, you've got a couple of options. You can either use your email address, or to make it even more seamless, use your Google account if it's tied to your Trello login. This option is often quicker and can save you from having to remember another password. Choose the one that's most convenient for you and follow the prompts to enter your Trello account. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention again to the upper right hand corner where your account icon should now be visible. Click on this icon. It's your gateway to accessing all the important settings you need for customization. In the menu that appears, you will see a section labeled Settings. Click on this option to access a variety of settings that control different aspects of your Trello experience. Settings are important as they allow you to tailor Trello's functionality to best suit your workflow needs. Now we're getting to the good part. Within the settings page, look for an option that says Allow Desktop Notifications. This is what empowers Trello to send notifications right to your desktop, ensuring you're always updated on the latest activities without having to keep check manually. Simply click on this option to enable desktop notifications. You might see a prompt from your browser asking for permission to show notifications. Make sure to allow this so you can receive updates. And there you have it. With desktop notifications turned on, Trello will now notify you of important updates, card assignments, and more directly on your desktop. This feature is incredibly handy for staying on top of your work without having to constantly check Trello manually. It's a real game changer for productivity and team collaboration. Remember, if you ever wish to tweak these settings again, you can always return to these steps and adjust as needed. That's all for today's tutorial on how to enable Trello notifications in your browser. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps keep your projects on track.